Are you tired of being buried under endless tasks in your business? What if I told you there's a way to lighten your workload and boost productivity without breaking a sweat? Imagine having a team of tireless assistants who never tire, never complain, and always deliver top-notch work. Intrigued? Today I'm going to show you how I've transformed my business by creating an army of AI agents, relieving myself of tedious tasks, and reclaiming valuable time and resources. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Unveiling the power of AI agents. Ever wished for a personal assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and handles tasks with impeccable precision? Enter AI agents, the game changers of modern business. These digital marvels are transforming the way entrepreneurs and businesses operate, offering a plethora of benefits. From automating mundane tasks to executing complex workflows, AI agents are revolutionizing productivity and efficiency. Imagine having a team of tireless assistants at your disposal, ready to tackle any task thrown their way. Whether it's managing customer inquiries, crafting compelling marketing campaigns, or repurposing content across multiple platforms, AI agents excel where humans often falter. By leveraging the power of AI, businesses can optimize their operations, cut costs, and stay ahead of the competition. So say goodbye to manual labor and hello to a future powered by AI agents. Get ready to witness the true potential of artificial intelligence in revolutionizing the way we work. Building your first AI assistant, customer service support. Ready to revolutionize your customer service experience? Say hello to your first AI assistant. With AI technology, you can streamline your customer support process, ensuring swift and accurate responses to inquiries. Building your first AI assistant for customer service is a straightforward process that begins with defining your objectives and selecting the right AI model for the job. Whether you're handling email inquiries, troubleshooting issues, or providing product information, your AI assistant can handle it all with ease. By leveraging AI, you not only save time and resources, but also enhance the overall customer experience. With personalized responses and quick resolution times, your customers will feel valued and supported, so why keep your customers waiting? Take the first step towards building your AI customer service assistant today and unlock a world of possibilities for your business. Get ready to elevate your customer service to new heights with AI technology. Harnessing the power of AI models. Choosing the right AI model is crucial for the success of your AI assistant. With a myriad of options available, it's essential to understand the strengths and capabilities of each model. From Claude 3 Opus to ChatGPT 4, each AI model brings its unique set of features to the table. Consider factors such as language proficiency, context understanding, and task-specific capabilities when selecting the ideal model for your AI assistant. Whether you're building a customer service agent, an email marketing assistant, or a content repurposing agent, choosing the right AI model can make all the difference in performance and efficiency. By harnessing the power of AI models, you can ensure that your AI assistant delivers exceptional results tailored to your business needs. So, take the time to explore your options and select the perfect AI model to unleash the full potential of your AI assistant. With the right model by your side, the possibilities are endless in transforming your business operations and driving success. Streamlining email marketing with AI. Tired of staring at a blank screen, trying to craft the perfect email campaign? Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to streamlined efficiency with AI-powered email marketing assistants. These digital assistants are designed to simplify the email marketing process, from drafting engaging content to optimizing delivery times for maximum impact. Whether you need a single email or an entire sequence, your AI assistant can handle it with ease. By leveraging AI technology, you can personalize your email campaigns, segment your audience, and track performance metrics with precision. Imagine having an assistant that not only writes compelling copy, but also analyzes data to refine your marketing strategy. With AI-powered email marketing assistants, you can save time, increase engagement, and drive conversions like never before. So, why waste another minute on tedious email tasks? Embrace the power of AI and elevate your email marketing game to new heights. Start building your AI assistant today and watch your email campaigns soar to success. Repurposing content with ease. Content creation can be time-consuming, but with AI-powered content repurposing assistance, it doesn't have to be. These innovative tools allow you to maximize the value of your existing content by transforming it into various formats for different social media platforms. Whether it's extracting key points from a blog post, creating engaging snippets from a podcast, or generating captions for Instagram posts, your AI assistant can do it all in a matter of seconds. By repurposing your content, you can reach a wider audience, drive more traffic to your website, and increase engagement across multiple platforms. With AI technology at your fingertips, repurposing content has never been easier or more effective. So why limit yourself to one platform when you can amplify your reach with AI-powered content repurposing assistance? Start transforming your content today and watch your online presence grow like never before. Automating workflows for maximum efficiency. Are you tired of repetitive tasks bogging down your workflow? It's time to embrace automation with AI-driven workflows. These streamlined processes allow you to automate repetitive tasks, eliminate bottlenecks, and ensure smooth operations across your business. Whether it's data analysis, onboarding new team members, or managing customer inquiries, AI-driven workflows can handle it all with precision and efficiency. By automating workflows, you can free up valuable time and resources, allowing you to focus on strategic initiatives that drive growth and innovation. With AI technology at the helm, you can optimize your business processes, improve productivity, and stay ahead of the competition. So why waste time on manual tasks when you can automate them with AI-driven workflows? Start revolutionizing your business operations today and unlock a world of possibilities for increased efficiency and success. Accessing top AI models within Cassidy. Gone are the days of juggling multiple AI tools. With Cassidy AI, you can access top AI models like ChatGPT 4, Claude 3 Opus, and Gemini Pro, all in one convenient platform. Say goodbye to subscription overload and hello to streamlined efficiency. Whether you're creating customer service assistants, email marketing agents, or content repurposing assistants, Cassidy AI has you covered with a wide range of AI models to choose from. By centralizing access to top AI models, Cassidy AI simplifies the process of building and deploying AI assistants for your business. No more jumping between different tools or managing multiple subscriptions. With Cassidy AI, everything you need is right at your fingertips. So why wait? Start building your AI assistants today and experience the power of AI in transforming your business operations for the better. The era of manual labor in business is fading away, thanks to AI assistants. By harnessing the power of AI, you can streamline your workflows, boost efficiency, and focus on what truly matters, growing your business. So why wait? Start building your army of AI agents today and unlock a world of endless possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Have any questions or suggestions? Feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy automating.